Hello everybody, this is Michelle Fox and welcome back to The Simple Quilter. Today I'm going to be starting a new series after the video that I put out on the one quilt mistake you must stop doing now, and it was about using what you have and using the new fabrics first. I've decided that I want to do a little series where I'm going to be sewing with some of those new things and opening some of those things that have been in my cabinets for years that I want to use. Now today's topic is going to be Frivols, and that's Frivols, and these were a product put out by Moda. Now in the comments below I want you to tell me if you have a Frivol, how many Frivols you have, what number of Frivols you have, and if you've opened any of them. I feel sure that some of you out there have Frivols. In fact, I think a bunch of you out there are going to have these. So I'm going to open this up, and you get to watch me open this up. We're going to check to see what's inside, and then I'm going to sew it up, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Finished. Well, the top finished. Okay, now this is actually pretty exciting for me. I bought this and it was on clearance, or it was on sale years ago when I did a shop hop, and it hasn't been opened. It looks like it's been torn a little bit, but it really hasn't been opened. And let me read to you what the can says. A Frivol, a limited edition Moda tin containing treats for quilters and sewists. Now each of the Frivols have a number. This is number 9, and they have a title. And this one is called Little Miss Sunshine by Layla Boutique. So this has her collection of fabric in it. So let's get this open. I'm so excited. These actually, I think, debuted in 2015. So I probably bought this in 2016, 2017 maybe. Ah, so much fun. Look at that. I've saved it all those years. Why in the world didn't I open it? And look how cute that little tin is. Okay, so on the back is a description. This is called Olive. The project is called Olive, and it finishes 41 by 41. And it says this Frivol contains 42 7 by 7 squares of Little Miss Sunshine. It's an olive quilt pattern and a bonus Frivol or two. And then it tells you the additional fabric requirements that you'll have, that you need. Okay, so let's open it up. Oh, it has a hinge. That's cool. Little Miss Sunshine. Look at those fabrics. Okay, you know what? I'm going to open them up because I'm going to start sewing with them here in just a few minutes. So this is Layla Boutiques. There's 42 of these 7-inch squares. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at these fabrics. Look at some of them. Are those fun or what? I'm going to have to press them all. Look at that. How fun is that? Look at all those different fabrics. Oh my gosh. And you know what, quilters? It is so much fun opening these up. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Oh look, there's a stripe. Some more of those. Let's see. Oh, look at the honeycomb. Let's see if there's any more specific patterns. Oh, here's a larger one. Oh, it's the same as this one. Love the colors. This will be fun to sew with, and I'm going to pick a background. You do have to pick a background for this. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. Okay, there's this cute little thing here. Oh, it just says what it contains. It says maker. We make these things because it's our nature. We stitch and create things that are sometimes a little frivolous because it's fun and fun. Because it's fun and fun is good. Collecting is also fun with quotations and quilt block patterns. You should see our Pinterest pages. The designers of each collection have provided their favorite quotes, and we've added the patterns for cute little blocks. Oh my gosh, let's see what else is in here. Oh, how funny. Color Me Pretty, a little coloring book. Bring Your Own Sunshine. Well, isn't that cute? Okay, then in here, this is her favorite saying, of this be sure, you do not find a happy life, you make it, by Thomas S. Monson. Okay, and then in the bottom of the tin is the pattern. Now I can't share the pattern with you because that's probably has a copyright on it, but I did want to show you what all is in there. Well, I guess I need these out of there because I've got to get started sewing. Okay, so there you have it, Frivols. This project will be 41 by 41 when I've finished it. I'm going to pick out my background from my stash. You know what? I'm going to do that right now. Okay, I went ahead and got in my stash, yes, in my stash, and this is going to be my background for this project. Has a neat little loopy swirl on it. Or wait, maybe I'll use this one. I think I'm actually going to use this white little dot because there's a lot of dots in the fabric. I'm going to use this one instead. Okay, I have that ready to go, and all I have to do now is get started. Okay, now I have to get busy sewing because I want to show you this for the end of the video. It's going to take me a while. It's probably going to take me several hours, maybe even a day to finish this. But I will be back. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, everybody, so it is numerous hours later. I did get Frivol number 9 completed, and I have to say it was a lot of fun. And I actually learned a lot from doing this block. I have never done partial seams, maybe one time before, but I'm not sure it turned out very well. But anyway, I learned how to do partial seams in this pattern, and it was just really, really neat. We used partial seams within the main portion of the quilt as well as the border, and I love the way this turned out, and I am still really liking the fabrics that were in this Frivol can. So now some of you may be wanting to know if Frivols are still available, and you can find some Frivols like on Etsy. I didn't check eBay, but I did look up at Etsy. You're going to probably pay quite a bit more than what I paid for this one. I know I purchased this one on sale at a shop hop several years ago. But I do have to say the point of this video was to help you to get them to sew them up, not purchase more. So if you have a Frivol, please pull it out of your stash and work on it, get it done. And then you can go to my Facebook page and go to the Frivol group and post your finished project, or the top if you just want to do the top. I'm going to post the top on mine, but anyway, that'll be a fun way to see everybody's accomplishments on that. Now this again is going to be a new series. I don't know how frequently I'll post it, but it will be, I will be sewing up things out of my stash or using my stash for projects, and I'll be showing you those things in the future. Okay, now let me step aside so you can see this finished project a little bit better. It is really just as cute as can be, and it was a super fun project. I really did enjoy doing this, and I have a super cute can to use now that I'm finished. Okay, so in the comments below, please be sure to tell me if you have any Frivols in your stash that you haven't sewn. Please get them out and sew them up. Let me know if you've purchased Frivols in the past and you've sewn them up. Take pictures of them if they're still at your house, or let me know what you did with them. Did you give them as gifts, or what did you do with them? Hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, please hit the like button. Please subscribe if you haven't. Please share with a friend. And as always, leave those comments. I love to get the comments, and I try to reply to each and every one. So until next time, have fun quilting.